Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make mousse coffee, updated. Whisk instant coffee, sugar, and water until glossy peaks form, then layer over milk or espresso. Chill cups briefly and pour milk slowly to keep the mousse afloat. Garnish with cocoa or cinnamon for aroma and serve right away for best texture and contrast between froth and liquid. Gather instant coffee, sugar, and just enough water to bloom the powder, plus cold milk or hot milk if you prefer. Use a chilled metal bowl and whisk briskly by hand or use a mixer for faster, stiffer peaks. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent texture, then taste and tweak sweetness. Keep mousse refrigerated briefly if not using immediately, but serve within a few hours to keep peak structure intact. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on crafting mousse coffee without sweeping up spills. It's a small upgrade that saves time and keeps countertops tidy. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by dissolving instant coffee and sugar in a little warm or room temperature water, then whisk until it becomes thick and shiny. Spoon the mousse over milk carefully, using the back of a spoon to build height without sinking. For iced versions, add ice first and pour milk slowly. For hot drinks, pour hot milk gently to avoid melting the mousse. Experiment with strength and toppings to make it yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.